All right.
It's gonna get fucking wild.
This dude will have you confused as to who you should be believing in. Yeah.
Who's who?
Because after you eat his food, you'll be praying to his seasoned hands.
Panzer, where that sushi come from?
He cooks it up. All well and done. That's why he's the one that has begun. Like
shit.
farmer, like son. The way he displays his food in itself is an art.
Bing,
Yo,
bang, pow!
you can tell my brother right here got mad hard.
Ooh.
In addition to pleasing mouths and stomachs, his beard game is top ranking. You could call it 100.
Whoa.
And I'll rub it. Woo! And if you read just a little further in, you might laugh at him. God. Because he's also a comedian. Yes. Hey, stop your drooling. It's time for introducing Mike Dunphy.
South Shore Dunphy.
Hey, it's a pleasure to have you here.
Thanks for having me, brother.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.